Home decor for small homes. Decorating a small home requires creativity, smart organization, and thoughtful design to maximize space while maintaining style and comfort. The key is to use multifunctional furniture, light colors, and clever storage solutions to create a spacious and inviting atmosphere. Here are some effective home decor ideas for small spaces. 1. Light and neutral color palette. Using light colors like white, beige, pastels, and soft grays can make a small space appear larger and more open. Neutral shades reflect more light, creating an airy and spacious feel. To add depth, incorporate subtle pops of color through cushions, artwork, or rugs without overwhelming the space. 2. Multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed, an ottoman with storage, or a dining table that folds away when not in use. Wall-mounted desks and nesting tables can also save space while maintaining functionality. Investing in pieces that adapt to different needs helps maximize every inch of your home. 3. Smart storage solutions. Clutter can make a small home feel even smaller. Use vertical storage, such as floating shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, and over-the-door organizers, to keep items off the floor. Underbed storage, built-in wardrobes, and furniture with hidden compartments help maintain a tidy and organized space. 4. Mirrors for an expansive feel. Mirrors create the illusion of a bigger space by reflecting light and adding depth. Place a large mirror opposite a window to enhance natural light. Reuse mirrored furniture to make the room feel more open. A mirrored wall in a hallway or living area can also create a sense of continuity and space. 5. Open floor plan and minimal clutter. Avoid bulky furniture and unnecessary decor that can make the space feel cramped. Keep pathways open and use a minimalist approach to furniture and decoration. Open shelving and strategically placed furniture can help maintain an airy, uncluttered look. 6. Vertical emphasis for height. Drawing the eye upward makes a room appear taller. Install floor-to-ceiling curtains, use tall bookshelves, and hang artwork higher on the walls. Vertical stripes on walls or wallpaper can also create the illusion of a higher ceiling, making the space feel more expansive. 7. Compact and foldable decor. Opt for foldable furniture like collapsible dining tables, fold-down desks, or stackable chairs that can be tucked away when not in use. These space-saving options keep the home functional while maintaining a clean and modern aesthetic. 8. Smart lighting choices. Good lighting can transform a small space. Use a mix of ceiling lights, wall sconces, and table lamps to create a well-lit environment. Avoid heavy, dark-colored curtains that block natural light. Instead, use sheer curtains or blinds to let light in while maintaining privacy. Decorating a small home is all about maximizing space while maintaining style and comfort.